Yeah, hello, here's the lower coach. Law, the law of attraction. What you send out with your own thinking, feelings and expectations, you will get back from your body, from other people and from the society, from the world, from the universe. What you send out, you get back. What you send out, you get back. And what you send out, you can control. Don't try to control what you get back. Try to control what you send out. There is your power. In your own thinking, feelings and expectations is your power. What you send out, you get back. Today I want to speak about healing and meditation, happiness and hope, freedom. I like to inspire you to the breathing technique of your soul, of your source. How is this breathing technique? It's like this deep breathing rhythms in 2 steps. 1, 2, 3. And in 5 steps out. In 3 steps in. In 5 steps out. Do it. Go inspired and do it. It will help you to go rich, to go happy, to go healthy. You go in contact with your soul, with your inner being. If you do this breathing technique 15 minutes a day, you don't have to do more. Just 15 minutes every day. And you will go in contact with your soul and with your inner being. And you will go inspired for action, to go rich, to go healthy, to go in love, to go happy. Follow your inspiration. I'm not a motivation coach. Motivation is stupid. You cannot motivate somebody else, but you can inspire other people. If you behave, just inspire other people. You don't have to control anything, just inspire other people. Start with this breathing technique today and do it every day, 15 minutes. 3 steps in. 5 steps out. 3 steps in. 5 steps out. Close your eyes or watch the speech and the waves or something else. Some water, some ticking of a clock, some singing of birds, singing of dolphins and whales. Just focus on something you not have to think about and you not resistance about. And give yourself 15 minutes a day and you will go inspired and you will fulfill your dreams. I'm a lower coach. I like to inspire you to the breathing technique of your soul and of your inner being. Breathe in 3 steps. Breathe out in 5 steps. Try it 15 minutes and you will do it every day because it's give you inspiration and power. I can coach you. Send me an email, I can coach you over Skype or telephone to fulfill all your dreams. Ciao.